I did research on the internet, looked up a few different companies. I found A&E Brothers after I interviewed a few different companies. Armin was the only person who said, I can get the refrigerator into the kitchen out of the nook, because that was one of the most important things that we needed done in the home. No one else was capable of moving the refrigerator into the kitchen.
The original kitchen had very limited counter space, and it had very limited cabinetry. A&E Brothers extend the amount of space that we had in here. This wall over here had nothing. It had a small shelf that was about 3 feet long. That was our storage. Now we have a full wall of cabinetry here. The stove was just up against this wall. We have a beautiful backsplash. A&E Brothers rearranged the plumbing. The toilet and the sink were side by side against the narrowest part of the room. The sink was relocated. In the upstairs bathroom, A&E expanded the size of the shower to allow us to have a full-size bench. There's a nice shelf inset into the shower, lots of sprayers, 6 sprayers, and a 12-inch rain shower. We have marble floors, we have marble walls halfway up, going all the way around. Everyone that worked for A&E Brothers was unfailingly polite at all times. They were always on time. They did their very best to complete every request that we had made of them. Their carpenters and their painters are outstanding, and I would recommend them. Armin of A&E Brothers, he's very responsive to whenever you call him, day or night. You can text him, you can call him, he gets back to you as fast. He has a lot of great ideas. Everything turned out beautifully. One of the great things that we experienced with A&E Brothers is that Armin was always receptive to our ideas and our suggestions. He had, of course, his own good suggestions, but he was always open to listening to what we had to say. Well, we've had many people come in, family and friends, and they love everything that was changed. And we always recommend to them, if they're looking for a renovation in their home, that they should feel free to contact A&E Brothers. They will be very happy with the result. In each of our bathrooms, there wasn't much cabinetry aside from a vanity. And A&E Brothers was able to install these floor-to-ceiling cabinets with drawers and shelves and lots of great storage. They are the ones that suggested bringing that cabinetry all the way up to the ceiling. Because of the work that A&E Brothers did, we now have a more spacious environment. It's more beautiful, and I can't tell you, the kitchen is more functional, the bathrooms are more functional. We've just been so much happier since the renovation was done.